Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two exciting dashcams to compare. On the left, we have the Cosuvow 4K front dash camera for cars, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER Wi-Fi 2.40p front dash camera. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive resolutions. The Cosuvow Dashcam boasts a stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution, capturing every detail of your drive. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dashcam offers a slightly lower resolution at 2.5K, but still delivers clear and sharp footage with its Starvis sensor and wide-angle lens. Now let's talk about convenience. The Cosuvow Dashcam comes with a dedicated app for both iOS and Android smartphones. With just a few taps, you can view live footage, replay recordings, download videos, and even share your journeys with friends and family on social media. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dashcam also offers Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to access real-time live streams, change settings, and easily share footage. So, both cameras give you the power to control and share your recordings, making it easy to provide evidence when needed. Now let's talk about design and durability. The Cosuvow Dashcam features a fashionable mini design that won't block your view while driving, ensuring maximum safety. It also comes with an adjustable angle, allowing you to find the perfect view of the road. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dashcam boasts a compact and hidden design, keeping your dashboard clutter-free. Its heat-resistance chipset and aluminum alloy shell make it durable and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions. Finally, let's talk about some additional features. The Cosuvow Dashcam offers a G-sensor that automatically starts recording a 15-second video when it detects a collision or shaking. It also comes with a 24-hour parking monitor, protecting your vehicle from potential theft or vandalism. Similarly, the E-YEEGER Dashcam also features a G-sensor and offers a 24-hour parking mode, but it requires a hardwire kit for this function. Both cameras also support loop recording, ensuring that you never run out of storage space. Plus, they come with free SD cards, with the Cosuvow Dashcam supporting up to 128 gigabytes, and the E-YEEGER Dashcam supporting a whopping 256 gigabytes. The Cosuvow Dashcam and the E-YEEGER Dashcam both have their unique strengths. The Cosuvow excels in video quality and user-friendly app control, while the E-YEEGER offers a durable design and impressive storage capacity. And there you have it. The Cosuvow Dashcam and the E-YEEGER Dashcam both have their unique strengths. The Cosuvow excels in video quality and user-friendly app control, while the E-YEEGER offers a durable design and impressive storage capacity. Remember, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a dashcam. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter. See you next time!